If you are looking for a fun and effective way to improve your Greek speaking skills, you are going to love today's topic. We are talking about how to use music and movies to practice speaking Greek. It's one of the best ways to immerse yourself in the language without feeling like you are studying. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how to make the most out of it. First, let's talk about why music and movies are such powerful tools for learning Greek. When you listen to Greek music or watch Greek movies, you are hearing the language in a natural context spoken by native speakers. You get to experience real-life conversations, slang, and intonation. Plus, it's fun. You're learning without even realizing it. Not only will you improve your listening skills, but you'll also absorb new vocabulary and expressions that you can use in your everyday conversations. Tip number 1. Use Greek music to practice pronunciation and learn new vocabulary. Listening to Greek songs is a great way to practice pronunciation because the words are often repeated, giving you the chance to mimic them. Start with slower songs so you can follow along easily. For example, artists like Haris Alexiou have songs that are slower and easy to understand. You can sing along to the lyrics, paying attention to how the words are pronounced. A great way to learn vocabulary is to look up the lyrics in both Greek and English. Apps like Spotify have lyrics available so you can follow along. First, listen to the song and try to pick out words you recognize. Then, read through the lyrics and translate new words you don't know. This will help you associate vocabulary with context, making it easier to remember. Tip number 2. Mimic the speech patterns of characters from Greek movies. Greek movies and TV shows give you access to real-life conversations and they are great for improving your speaking skills. When watching a scene, choose a character you like and repeat their lines after them. Pay attention to how they stress certain words, their rhythm, and their intonation. For example, if you are watching a famous Greek movie like Zorba the Greek or the TV series Thanasis, pick out dialogues and practice saying them out loud. You can even pause the movie, repeat what they said, and try to match their accent and expression. This will help you sound more natural and fluent when speaking Greek. Tip number 3. Use subtitles to your advantage. When you are watching Greek movies or TV shows, turn on Greek subtitles. This will help you see the words as they are being spoken. It's a great way to learn new vocabulary and see how the words are used in real sentences. At first, you can watch with English subtitles to understand the context, and then switch to Greek subtitles for more focused practice. One strategy is to pause the video when you hear an interesting phrase, write it down, and repeat it. You can build your own list of useful phrases and expressions this way. Tip number 4. Summarize the plot in Greek. After watching a Greek movie or a TV show episode, challenge yourself by summarizing the plot in Greek. You don't have to be perfect. Just use simple sentences and basic vocabulary. This exercise helps you practice your speaking and recall the vocabulary you just learned. Tip number 5. Try shadowing. Shadowing is a technique where you listen to native speakers and repeat what they say at the same time. It's a great way to improve your fluency and speech rhythm. You can do this with both songs and movie dialogues. Start with short scenes or songs and try to keep up with the speaker or the singer. It may be challenging at first, but it's one of the fastest ways to train your brain to think and speak in Greek. Tip number 6. Learn the cultural context. Greek music and movies are full of cultural references which will help you better understand the Greek way of life and history. By learning the cultural context, you'll not only improve your language skills, but you'll also connect more deeply with the culture. For example, traditional Greek music like rebetiko tells stories about Greek life in past decades, while modern pop songs might reflect current slang and trends. Tip number 7. Make it a habit. Consistency is key. Make listening to Greek music and watching Greek movies part of your daily or weekly routine. Even if it's just for 10 or 15 minutes a day, that exposure will make a big difference over time. You could listen to Greek songs while commuting or doing chores and watch a Greek film once a week. The more you surround yourself with the language, the more naturally it will come to you. So there you have it, how to use music and movies to practice speaking Greek. It's a fun and immersive way to boost your speaking skills while learning more about the language and culture. Which Greek movie or song are you going to check out first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on learning Greek. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Γεια σας!